Aisha radiallahu anha says, when I was younger and more agile and more fit, the Prophet raced me or chased me, and I ran and overtook him. I beat him. Years passed. Aisha radiallahu anha put on weight. She became bigger. And the Prophet is in a campaign. He's traveling with the ashab. And then in the middle of the desert, he tells the army, go ahead. Go ahead. Me and my wife stay back. So when they're gone and out of sight, so the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam looks at them and says, on a race. So can you imagine our mother Aisha getting ready to race? So they stood and they ran. And the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam